solemnly swear affirm that the testimony you shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can be seated, sir. Sir, could you state your name and spell your last name for the court reporter, please?
Joseph Butler, B-U-T-L-E-R.
Thank you. You may inquire.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
What do you do for a living now?
I do floors and crossing guard.
Okay. What kind of work have you done in the past?
Floors. Worked in the recovery room. Did maintenance. That's about it.
Did you say you're a crossing guard now?
Yeah,
Where do you do that?
in Orlando.
For like a school crossing or?
Yeah.
Let me direct your attention back to 2002. What did you do for a living back then?
I was working at the hospital.
What did you do for the
I
hospital?
was doing floors at the time,
Okay, I see. And where did you live back then?
in the apartments.
Do you remember the name of the apartment?
Nah,
Okay. Was the apartment that you lived in located at 3216 Cornell Avenue, specifically apartment 12?
yes,
All right. Was that in Orange County?
I think so, yes.
Okay. May I approach her?
Yes.
Showing up to mark the state's exhibit H for identification. Do you recognize what that photograph shows?
Yes, yes.
What is that?
That's the apartment.
Is that the apartment that you lived in? It's kind of an updated picture of it.
Yeah, that's it, that's it.
Does it fairly and accurately show what the apartment looked like then?
Yes.
This time, state would move H into evidence as states 7.
Any objection?
No, ma'am, no objection.
It will be admitted as state 7.
Can I publish?
May.
Okay. Is this the apartment that I just showed you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is that a yes?
Yes.
All right. How was this apartment complex set up? How many floors, first of all?
First and second floor.
I'm sorry?
First and second floor.
Okay. So we see, I don't know if, can you see down here? Okay, if you turn around and look behind you, we see a couple entrances. How many entrances were there to get into the main apartment complex?
2, I think.
Okay, and are those below, like the lights that we see above by the roof?
Yes.
All right.
Now, if you come in there, there's just one entrance in there going in there, to go upstairs and downstairs.
And if you walk into the main entrance, which is the stairwell, how many apartments are on the first floor that you can access from that main entrance?
On the first floor?
Yes, sir.
2.
Okay, and if you walk up the stairs, how many apartments are on the top floor?
2.
Where was your apartment, apartment number 12, located?
Upstairs, on the right.
And who did you live there with at the time?
My wife
What's her name?
Joyce Butler.
What did she do back in 2002?
She worked at the hospital.
Did you know a woman named Theresa Green?
That was my neighbor.
May I approach her?
May.
Show you what's been marked as state's exhibit I for identification. Do you recognize the person in that
Yes,
photograph?
yes.
Who is that? I'm sorry?
See my feet.
Your
Don't
feet
know I
hurt?
told you about it.
You have a medical issue with your feet?
Yeah.
You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm all right right now. Go ahead.
Okay. Who is in this photograph?
Teresa.
Does this fairly and accurately show what she looked like back then?
Yes.
This time, statement moved I into evidence as states 8.
No
Any
objection, Your Honor.
It will be admitted as states 8.
Publish.
You may.
Is this Miss Green we see in the photo here?
Yes.
Where did she live in relation to your apartment?
Across the hall.
So if you were in 12, was she in 11 right across?
Yes.
What did she do for a living?
She worked at the hospital, but I just didn't never know what it really was.
It appears that you worked at the hospital, so did your then wife, and so did Miss Green. Did the people in this apartment complex, did a lot of them work in the hospital?
Yes, most of them all of them.
Do you ever remember Miss Green working in the labor and delivery department?
I know I just see her there, yeah.
Did you meet Miss Green by virtue of just her being your neighbor?
Yes.
had you been in her apartment following the period of time that she went missing?
When she went missing?
Yes, after she went missing and after you found out that she had been killed.
Yeah, I went in there.
Okay.
Her son came and got me.
Did you see anything unusual in her apartment when you looked in there?
Yes, there's a big hole in the wall.
How long had you known Miss Green by the time she was killed?
I don't have a known her. I haven't known her that long. Probably about 3 months, maybe 3 or 4 months, something like that. I don't know for sure.
You mentioned her son. Did she have children?
Yes,
Do you know how many?
I think two boys, as far as I know.
Were there times that you would invite her over to your apartment just to hang out with you and your wife?
Well, not really. It was every now and then my wife would be talking with her, but I never invited her over like that.
Were there times that you kind of had get-togethers and she would come over with some other people?
We just had one time.
Okay, I see. This time, pursuant to judicial notice, Your Honor, the state would move states G into evidence. It's a calendar from May of 2002. That's states 9.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
It will be admitted as State's Exhibit 9.
Let me direct your attention to late Saturday, May 25th of 2002, into the next morning. You mentioned you had a get-together at your apartment this one time.
Yes,
Okay. Was that the last time that you saw Theresa Green?
yes.
About when did this party start up?
It really wasn't a party.
Okay.
It was just that we was planning on having a barbecue the next day, and she had got her drinks and everything, and
She meaning who?
well,
She said she got drinks. Who got
she got drinks. She just got drinks when we went to the store.
Who got drinks?
She did.
Your mom, your wife, or
My
Miss
wife, my wife wasn't no drinker.
Okay, so Miss Green got drinks.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So when we went to the store and came back, she was already lit up.
She had been drinking already.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
She was already.
Where'd you guys go to get the meat?
Publix.
Who'd you go with?
Well,
I'm sorry,
Mars.
Morris?
Mars.
Oh,
What did you know Demorris by then? What was his name back then?
Mike.
Okay. So you guys go and get the meat at Publix. You get back. Who was at your apartment?
When we got back,
Yes.
Theresa and my wife.
Okay. So at this point, is it the four of you kind of hanging out at the apartment, barbecuing?
For a minute, no, we went barbecuing. It was the next day.
Okay, it was for the
We
next
was
day.
just going to get the stuff for the next day.
I understand. Who is Lisa Moore?
That's my stepdaughter.
All right. I know it's been a while, but do you see the person that you knew as Mike here in the courtroom?
Yes.
Would you please point him out and tell me what he's wearing?
White shirt,
Does he have a jacket or no jacket?
no jacket.
May the record reflect the witnesses identified the defendant?
Record will still reflect.
May I approach?
You may.
Showing you what mark the states as a J for identification. You recognize the person in that photo?
Yes.
Who is that?
Mike?
Does that fairly and accurately depict what he looked like
Yes.
back in 2002?
Yes. Yes.
This time, state would move J into evidence as states 10.
No objection.
It will be admitted as State's 10.
Was this a photo, may I publish on?
You may. Yep.
Was this a photograph that you actually provided the detectives when they were investigating this case?
Yes.
Describe the defendant's appearance back then.
His appearance?
Yes, sir.
He looked just like that on that picture he's back there all the time.
Okay. Where did the defendant live in relation to you back then?
Downstairs. I don't know the apartment number, but he was downstairs in the same cluster.
Okay, so it was like right down the same stairwell as yours?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Do you remember if his apartment number was 9?
I'm not for sure about the apartment.
Did the defendant work at the hospital with you guys?
No.
About how long had you known the defendant the night that this get-together happened?
Wasn't known. Probably about 3 weeks, a month.
A relatively short
Yeah,
time.
sure.
Did the defendant live in that apartment right downstairs alone or with anybody else?
No.
Did other people live in that apartment before he did?
Yes.
Do you remember who?
What was his name? Can't think his name. Right.
That's okay.
Humphrey. His
Humphrey?
name was Humphrey.
Okay.
Him and his girlfriend stayed there.
So this get-together at your apartment, what was going on? I mean, what were you guys doing? Just hanging out?
Yeah, well, when we got back, she was already about too drunk already, and we was just drinking and talking. And then my wife had went to sleep, and she came out and said she was too loud. So
It was too loud?
Yeah, and I turned the radio down, and she said she'd come out again. She got to go home.
Okay.
And so she came out again because it was still too loud. So she told her we had to go home. I said, okay, we'll do this tomorrow.
All right.
So
Let me stop you there real quick. At the point where this party is shut down, had you been drinking?
yeah, a little bit, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Had Miss Green been drinking? You said she was
Yes,
pretty drunk?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What about the defendant? Had he been drinking?
No,
Was Lisa Moore there as well at this time, your stepdaughter?
no,
At some point, did she arrive?
yeah.
Why did your wife, then wife, want the party to shut down?
But she had to go to work.
Okay.
She-
So at about 2:30 or so, is this when the party basically is shut down by your wife?
was it that time? I don't know. But maybe.
Okay, sometime in the early morning hours.
Yes, yes.
Understood. Except for your wife, your then wife, Joyce Butler, getting a little upset at you guys for being loud, and she's got to go to work the next morning. Were there any problems with anybody at this point during this party?
No.
So when your wife shuts the party down and you're basically telling everybody, look, we got to go, what happens between you and Theresa Green at that point?
Oh, well, you got mad and slapped me. And I tapped her back. I didn't really slap her. So I just tapped her and said, let's go home. We'll do this tomorrow.
And where'd you slap her?
It's the same place she slapped me,
Where?
right there in the face.
Okay, so she slaps you in the face, you slap her back in the
Yeah.
face, and we're like, we're
Yeah,
done.
mm-hmm.
Do you know what caused her to slap you in the face? Was there an argument? Was
No argument. She just hauled off and slapped me.
Okay. Did that happen inside your apartment or
Inside
outside?
the apartment.
I'm sorry?
Inside.
Inside, okay. After she slaps you in the face, you slap her in the face, tell the jury what happens then.
Okay, we goes outside the door by the stairs, and Mac gets on the first floor.
What was on the first floor?
First steps on the stairs, and she steps in front of him and say, why you let Joe slap you? Slap and hit me. She said, you hit him first, so he really didn't hit you, he just tapped you. And the next thing I know, she put her foot up and kicked him, tried to kick him downstairs, and he grabbed her foot, and they both went down there. And then I was asking him when he got up, was he all right? She went to cussing and fussing. I said, well, I'll see y'all tomorrow. So I went back in the apartment, and I went to bed.
Okay, let me stop you there. So outside of your apartment and the stairwell is when she basically kicks at the defendant, and they both go tumbling down the stairs.
Yes,
And at this point, is this when, was your stepdaughter there at this point?
I don't think she was there yet.
Okay.
I'm not for sure, but I don't think she was.
Okay. May I approach, Your Honor?
May.
Show me State's Exhibit K for identification. Can you take a look at those two photos and tell me if you recognize what they show?
Yeah.
Take a look at the other one as well, please.
It's another one? I can't see but one. Oh, it's on the other side. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Do you recognize
Yes,
those photos?
yes, yes.
What do they show generally?
Hmm?
What do they show?
A rug. There's some there. Like it's tore up.
What area of the apartment or the building does that show?
That's the top floor.
Okay. Is that the stairwell?
Yeah.
Okay. Do these fairly and accurately depict what the stairwell looked like?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I know there's some paper down there
Mhm.
that law enforcement, that wasn't there.
Yeah, that wasn't there.
Okay. At this time, State would move K into evidence as State's 11, or, yeah, 11.
No objection, Your Honor.
It will be admitted as State's 11.
Publish.
You may.
Showing you photograph 1 of State's 11. Where is the entrance to your apartment if you walk up? Are you the right or the left?
I'm right.
And Miss Green's then would have been to the left?
Yes.
And showing you photograph 2 of State's 11. It's just, what does this show? You can turn around and look if you have to.
Oh, that's the stairwell.
Okay, looking down from your apartment area?
Yes.
And is that the stairwell that they tumbled down that
Yes.
way?
Yes.
When they tumbled down the stairs, did they go all the way down to the bottom part?
All the way to the bottom.
When they landed at the bottom of the stairwell, did you see them actually get up?
Yes.
Did anyone appear to be severely injured in any way?
No.
Anyone screaming in pain or anything like that?
No.
Did you see what they did after they got up?
The only thing I seen was her cursing and fussing, and me and my wife went back in the apartment.
Okay. So you and your wife go back to the apartment. Did you have to work the next day?
No.
Just your wife?
Yes.
Just Joyce Butler, okay. Let me direct your attention to several hours later, now still on Sunday morning, May 26th. What happened Sunday morning at around 7 o'clock in the morning?
Well, that's when I got up, but stuff happened before then.
You still had what, I'm sorry?
Say some stuff happened before then. Like, I was asleep, and she kept telling me that he kept coming up, trying to get me to follow him in the car to go take the car back to the car lot. And I looked at the clock and said, ain't no car lot open this time morning. I'm not going nowhere. So I just went back to sleep.
Okay. Were you woken up again shortly after?
Yes, I woke up again, so, and I still didn't move right then. So, but when that time you was talking about 7, that's when I really got up, and he had left the keys in there.
No, who did? Who came with the keys?
Mike,
Okay, the defendant.
yeah,
All right, so explain to me how that happened. Did he come into your apartment? Did he come into the bedroom? What
came
happened?
in the bedroom,
Okay,
and I was still laying there. And he left the keys, and he said, man, I'll be downstairs.
okay. Did he tell you what he wanted you to do?
You had to follow him to the gas, to take the car back. We supposed to do that anyway. 'Cause she wanted me to follow him yesterday too, but that day too. But I didn't see her.
Okay, so he asked you to take the keys and follow him to the
Yeah,
car.
I was in the van.
You were in a van.
Yeah, he was in the car, her car.
Describe the van to me.
Oh, the van was white with a green something, green and white van. It's an old van.
Okay, and was that the vehicle you drove?
Yes,
What vehicle did the defendant drive?
he drove her vehicle.
What car was that?
It was an Oldsmobile,
Do you remember what color?
grayish white or something like that.
I'm sorry, what was it?
Grayish white,
Grayish white?
yeah, something like that.
Did the defendant say anything about where Theresa Green was?
No,
Did you see Theresa Green at any time this morning?
no,
So when the defendant asked you to follow him while he's driving the victim's car, follow him in the van, did you agree?
mm-hmm,
Said yes?
yes, yes.
She can't take
Okay, okay. My bad.
Was that van owned, to your knowledge, owned by the defendant?
No.
Okay. Do you know who owned the van?
Guy named Pete on the van.
Okay. Do you know Pete's real name?
No,
Did you ever know a man named Henry Fields?
Henry, yeah. Yeah.
Henry Fields?
Yes, yes. I think that's his last name.
I'm sorry?
No, not Henry. Oh, it's Humphrey. I know Humphrey, not Henry.
Okay. So, to your knowledge, the defendant is driving Pete's white van.
Yes,
Understood. Had you ever seen the defendant drive Theresa's Oldsmobile before that day?
no,
Could you see anybody else in Miss Green's white Oldsmobile except for the defendant?
yeah, no, I couldn't see nobody.
Where did you end up going following the defendant?
Ended up in Sanford.
And was the car lot in Sanford, or was the car lot
I
in
didn't know where the car lot was. I'm just following.
You're just following. All right. So where did you end up in Sanford?
At a Walgreens.
How far away is this Walgreens from your apartment complex?
Ooh. Well, then, that's a long way. That's at least 10 miles or more, maybe longer.
Okay. Can I approach her? Show me what the marker stakes to the L. Do you recognize the vehicle in that photograph?
That's the building.
What is that?
It's an Oldsmobile.
Is that Miss
Miss
Green's
Green,
vehicle?
yeah, yes.
Does this fairly inaccurately depict what her vehicle looked like back then?
Yes.
This time state with L into evidence as states 12.
No objection, Your Honor.
It will be admitted as states 12.
Publish.
May.
Is this the photograph I just showed you?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Now, obviously, we see in the photograph here the trunk is open, but when we left the vehicle at Walgreens, was it closed?
Yes.
All right. So what happens when you and the defendant arrive at Walgreens?
Well, when they pull in there, you pull to the side of the building, and I went inside the store to get an Alka-Seltzer because I had a hangover
To get Alka-Seltzer
Yeah,
for your hangover? Okay.
and forgot my wallet and couldn't get it, so I had to come back and sit in the van. I sat in the van. He stayed in the car for a good while. I don't know what he was doing, but he was in there doing something. I don't know what it was.
Okay.
And I just sat there and waited. Then he comes back. Then he said he messed up. I told him I don't want to hear it. Just take me back home.
Let me back you up. When you said you waited in the van,
Yes.
when the defendant got back to the van, where did he sit? Driver's or passenger seat?
He got it. I think first he was in the passenger seat and then he drove.
Okay. So who drove the van back to the apartment complex?
I think he did.
Okay. Bless you. After he got into the van with you,
Mm-hmm.
you mentioned he said something. What did he say to you?
He said I messed up.
Messed up?
And I say, I don't want to hear it, man. You done messed up and way over here and you got me in this mess.
Did he give you any more details as far as what he meant by
I
that?
don't know. I didn't even want to know what he was talking
Okay.
about. 'Cause I kind of figured something went wrong with him and her.
Did you find it unusual that he asked you to follow him and Theresa somewhere, or follow in Theresa's car, but then left the car at Walgreens?
Yes. I found out when I didn't see her come and tell me that.
Do you know what he did with the keys to Theresa's car?
No.
Where did you guys go after you left Walgreens in that white van?
back to the house. I went back home.
During your interaction with the defendant that morning, did you see any obvious injuries on him?
Well, I seen a little redness on his face, like, but other than that, I didn't see no,
No, any blood?
no,
Any torn clothing?
no, I didn't see nothing.
Once you guys arrive back at your apartment complex, what happens? What do you do?
I told him I'm going back to bed.
Okay, and did you?
Yeah,
Do you know where he went?
I don't know, because when I woke up, he was gone.
From the point that you left him at that apartment complex that morning after dropping Theresa Green's car off at Walgreens to today, have you seen the defendant?
Have I seen him?
Yes.
Nope.
The next day, I believe it's Monday the 27th, did you make contact with Theresa Green's son, Octavius?
Yes.
Did he ask you anything?
Yeah.
What did he ask you?
He asked me have I seen his mama. And I told him I hadn't seen her since, it was Saturday, I guess.
Since when? I'm sorry.
Saturday, I think, that was when the last time, Saturday.
Did you give him, did you tell him anything about the whole
No.
slapping thing?
No,
Was it significant to you to tell him that?
no, it wasn't.
Did you tell him anything about following the defendant dropping the car off?
No, I didn't tell him about that either.
Why not?
I don't know, I just didn't tell him.
Okay. At some point that same Monday evening, did law enforcement come and interview you?
Yes,
Is that the time that you provided law enforcement the photo of the defendant that we saw earlier?
yes,
Did they also ask permission to go into your apartment and look around and take photographs?
yeah,
Did you allow them?
yeah.
A couple of days later, did a female detective come to you and show you a series of photographs?
Yes,
Did she ask you if you recognized the person you knew as Mike?
yes,
Were you able to pick Mike out?
yes,
May I approach him? Showing you what's been marked as State's Exhibit. M as in Mary. Can you take a look at that exhibit and tell me if you recognize your signature?
yeah, that's mine.
And your initials?
Yes,
Is this a true, accurate copy of the document you filled out?
yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. No further questions at this time, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.